With all the choices in supermarkets today, it's not surprising people are confused. So we thought we'd give you a simple guide to some common items. Let's take a look at spreads. Most people default to butter or margarine when they're looking for a spread, but neither butter or margarine are good for your health. Butter is high in saturated fat, which is too prevalent in the contemporary Western diet, and there are many alternatives that are better for our health than margarine. And despite the advertising around the health benefits of certain margarines for lowering cholesterol, studies have shown very large volumes must be consumed to have any impact. Use avocado or homemade hummus on your sandwich, spread your toast with 100% nut butter, dip your whole grain bread in olive oil, and use extra virgin or cold-pressed olive or canola oil when cooking. For more information, visit intervalweightloss.com.au.